Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and tap on it once more. And once the device shuts off, which is, well, right about now, what you want to do is hold the power key and volume up. So both of those keys at the same time, power, volume up. And you want to hold them till you feel a long vibration, which is the second one, at which point you can let go and you should be then in recovery mode. And in this mode you will use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. So whatever you select using volume keys, you then can confirm with the power key. So there's not much you can do from here. You can wipe data, which has just the wipe data. Then you also can connect with the Mi Assistant, which is a computer program, and simply reboot the device. So that's what I'm going to select here. And once selected, like I said, confirm it with power key, reboot to system, and the device will now go back to the normal Android operating system. And there we go. So we're now back in Android. And that is how you would boot in and out of the recovery mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.